Hello students. Today I'm going to discuss about dictionary. This is a new chapter. So let's first come to know what is a dictionary. As in my previous lecture on lists, uh, we talked that list is a sequence, but dictionary is not a sequence. How it is different from a list? Dictionary may be defined as dictionary is a mutable, unordered uh, collection of data in form of key and value. What does it mean? First of all, it is unordered. If I compare to a list, suppose define a list here. L is equal to suppose it is here 3, likewise anything like this. So it is ordered means if I write L2, so 2 is fixed, the index of 2 is fixed. At index 2 the value is 8, at index 0 the value is 3, index 1 value is 6, and so on. So here index is fixed means order is fixed. So in case of dictionary the order is not fixed, unordered. Here now next thing, dictionary is mutable, like list is also mutable. um, Look, if I write L2 means I am assigning a value uh, 16 to L at the index 2. Now the L is 3, 6, 16, 1. Earlier it was 8 and now it is 16. So what does it mean? It means that the value is being mutated. So dictionary is also mutable, but not ordered. So I will discuss it. And third thing about dictionary, this is the values are written in form of key value pair. Here one thing to be considered, that in list or string or in tuple, uh, values are not written in the form of key pair, but internally it is in the form of key value pair. How? uh, if you look the first value, its key is 0, the index is 0 and value is 3. So if I compare with dictionary, I may say that it is in form of key value pair, like 0 is the key and 3 is the value. Because of key is predefined, it can't be fixed by the programmer. Hence we don't pay attention about key here in case of list, or in case of a string, or in tuple. We simply focus our discussion regarding value. There is no discussion regarding key. But what's difference in the case of dictionary? In dictionary, key is not fixed. Likewise uh, list, index is not fixed. We have to define index our own. That's why it is unordered. Because of there is no order fixed by Python, as in case of list we are seeing here. The order of first is first element is 0, second element is 1, and next is 2, 3, and so on. But in case of dictionary this is not fixed. So how, what is the meaning of this? Let's create a dictionary. Suppose D is a dictionary, and uh, as in case of a list we used this bracket, and for a string we used single quote or double quote. Similarly in case of dictionary, the Python will identify it as a brace, the curly bracket. So this is a curly bracket, and now I am defining key value pair. Suppose one is some roll number, and its marks are 90, comma, one key value pair is defined. Now next key value pair, roll number 2, 98. Okay, roll number 3 colon 86. Now 3 value has been defined. I am terminating it. Now what happening this? 1 colon 90 means the index 1. If you compare to list, the index is defined as first value is 1 and its value is 90. Second index is 2. So we are defining our own index. In technical term, index is called here as a key. Define another dictionary like D is equal to, suppose I am writing here AA. AA is someone, the roll number 1, suppose whose name is AA has scored 90 marks, BB has scored 98 marks, and CC has scored 86 marks. Just take previous one. Now what is this? This is here AA. I have defined my own index, that is key. So it is quite clear that this is unordered pair. There is no order. If you define first CC, it will be CC. Define anything. So this is the sense we have to say. What is the meaning of dictionary? Look at, this is a function. It is giving AA, BB, CC and dot values. This is another function giving values. So okay, we can find out keys and values separately by using these two functions. Take it your own and take it as an assignment to create more complicated dictionaries and display it. Okay, so I'm coming to the next topic. Because of dictionary has similarity as well as contrast uh, with respect to earlier uh, definitions like list, tuple and string. Let's see what are the features of a dictionary. So number 1, this is unordered set. As I have explained it, this is unordered, no doubt. Number 2, this is not a sequence. This is also very clear. If it would have been a sequence, the key were predefined like list, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. But there is no such thing. Hence, it is not a sequence. Third important thing, keys are unique. You cannot use a key repeatedly. Once a key has been used, it can't be used again. For example, if you used it again, what to happen? Look at, suppose I am writing here 2. Okay. Now look what's happening. It won't give an error, but this is the effect. 190 and 286 means whatever defined earlier 2 as 98 has been replaced, has been updated as with 86. 98 has been updated as 86. It means that key is unique. If you are defining another value with the same key, it would be replaced. Hence we cannot duplicate the value of key. Key is unique. This is the meaning of this. And number 4 thing, the dictionary is mutable, whatever I have seen. And number 5th thing, keys are number 5th, keys must be a mutable thing. Key is mutable. You cannot use an entity as a immutable for key. For example, I am showing you, suppose this is D, and instead of using 1 2 just a minute, let's remove it, this is meaningless. Suppose I am using here 1 comma 2. What is this? This is a list, and the list is mutable. As I have, this is an error. So keys are immutable, keys can't be mutable. So this is the introductory concept of dictionary. Thank you.